Following on my series related to the Google Assistant, I'm going to show you how to use something called What Song is Playing. And this is essentially a service just like Shazam, but it's on your Android tablet or phone, and you're able to use this using the Google Assistant. So let me show you here. It's a very simple instruction set. Essentially use the wake word and then tap the button, what's this song? Or you can ask, what's this song? And then from there, you're going to be able to get it into a music application. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second here. Now, next, you're going to ask, can I do this on an iPhone or an iPad? The answer is no, this is only for Android. On my PC, I'm actually going to just play a song. You're not going to hear it because that would get me in some copyright trouble. But essentially now I'm going to switch over to my Android tablet, which is next to the sound source. And I'm holding the home button to bring up the Google Assistant. And you can see it recognized right away that I was playing a song in the background, and it's giving me a button to press, what's this song? Now you can see it going through and analyzing the song, and then it will go ahead and give you this search result. Now you can see it's got the artist, it's got the album, it's got when it's released, and it gives me two options to go ahead and click. This is based on what's on my tablet right now. The Google Play Music is obviously there. This is an Android tablet, and I use that service anyways. Then you could also do a search related to this song if you wanted to do that. So I'm going to click the Google Play Music button, and it brings me right over to Google Play Music and starts the song for me. So you see it go on the bottom. If I wanted, I could drag that up. You can also see it brought me to a Wicked Thing radio page. So that's just Google Music doing their thing where they produce a radio station based off of something you're listening to. But if I wanted to, I could immediately add Wicked Thing. If I just pulled that page up, I could add it to playlists, I could add it to all kinds of things in my library, and of course, I could click the thumbs up or thumbs down. So there you have it. I think this is a great feature. There doesn't appear to be any settings, and this is going to work, I think, at least back to Android 6.0 and forward on your Android tablet or phone. So there you have it, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.